Brian?
Let's get this started. Let's get this
Holden
started.
is trying to message some people.
For real.
12 you.
Oh, we're
Are we
already in
actually?
the game.
Wait, are we actually playing the game or
Alright,
y'all fucking
I'm
around?
innocent. Number 3. I mean,
Yo,
percent 3. Yeah.
Come
We're
on,
actually
murder.
playing.
what? Alright.
I feel like, what the hell are you wearing, Taj?
Holden's
What you mean?
murderer.
Hold on, what do you?
Put your hands up! Put
Oh,
your
he's
hands up!
sheriff. He's sheriff. Shoot the gun. Shoot the gun. Oh my.
Taj, what do you wearing?
What are you?
What? I'm not even in here.
Holden just fucking killed me, bro.
He said shoot the gun!
Oh my god.
What are you wearing, bro?
What the hell are you wearing?
What I mean, I got that shit on, nigga. Y'all niggas tripping.
For real?
I got that
God,
shit
Yo,
on.
why
You
does
told
it
me
look
just
like
I
we
got that
have
shit on.
shorts?
Man, you.
Todd is wearing underwear.
Yeah, I know. You tripping. Josiah, I could tell. Yeah,
I
Josiah, I
don't
could
have
tell.
Wait, does this dude
Josiah, you can tell.
have headless?
Josiah, you can tell your shit got a 2-piece.
dirty as blue.
Wait, I'm trying to see what's this dude's name.
Yo, who is this dude, bro?
Josiah, no, that nigga ain't got hellas.
You sure?
Shit about fake. Shit about. He got it.
I'm checking right now.
Shit about fake as a
What's his
motherfucker.
name?
Okay, he does not have headless. He's using a dynamic head to make it look like it. That's why he's
What's
wearing
his
all that
name?
hair. His name is that one transit fanner.
That nigga
God,
gay.
he plays
Tranny.
this game too much.
Wait, what do you mean?
Damn.
Oh my! Prestige 3? Jeez.
Oh, Josiah, trade me.
Bet.
Don't trade that nigga.
Straight up.
Hold on, give me
straight
some.
up.
Give me something.
No, I'm only giving Josiah.
Who the fuck is this Nick dude?
Dick Rider. That
What,
nigga
dude?
Dick Rider.
What'd you say?
Who the
Alright,
fuck
I
is
have
this?
extra-
Hold on, I already have a pet.
Do you have a Santa dog?
No.
Bro, those pets that you caught, bro.
Yeah, for
You
real.
want-
Do you have anything
you-
other?
I don't have any other duplicates.
Give me something you don't use.
Who
Alright.
who just called?
What?
Hey, I'm about to tell that kid to stop coughing
Hey,
and get
stop
banned
coughing.
again.
Stop coughing. Oh, they left.
Josiah, you got any other knives that you don't like? Oh! I'm accepting it.
No, I like that one. Sorry.
You know what? You can look at yourself.
I don't have shit. I'm a fucking.
You stink.
Damn.
Alright, bro.
Stu said he stink. Stinky booty ass.
I take default knife and default gun.
Josiah, come here. Where are you?
Let's go.
Look what's on my shoulder. Look what's on my shoulder.
Spider-Man? Spooderman?
Pluto.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's actually kind of ugly like Daniel.
Yeah, hold
Yo, big ass Daniel.
Looks like we're getting factory. Damn.
Alright.
I was just about to pick office, but we
on.
can't.
Yo, shut up.
Daniel's hope.
You
Daniel's
shut
Hope
up.
Food Factory.
You shut up.
Shut up, boy.
Dan, what was your favorite field trip
I'll
you
beat
Your
you
went
up.
on at the school?
Alright. That's what I got an 8-pack.
Daniel, what was your favorite school field trip to Bunny Bread Factory?
No, that shit was
Innocent.
kinda ass. Can't remember. Josiah, get away from
What's
me.
y'all's percent?
30%.
30.
Nigga, hold you just said shut the fuck up.
Yes. Oh!
Bro.
Bro, you said 30%. Slide.
You're so ugly.
Oh,
damn.
I was joking.
Shut
I
up.
Who is it?
I don't even know.
Todd?
So I
Is it you?
had 7%.
Oh.
Nah, that's 3%.
Oh.
I was joking, you
Damn.
dumbass.
You joking, you dumbass.
Nice hero.
I'm too good.
Big Mac.
Man, fuck you.
Just look at my dance. Look at my
Hey,
dance.
don't get a what's it called? A warning in voice chat.
Shut the fuck up.
Joe, you got banned yesterday.
What, Holden?
No shit, holding.
I
I'm
have
back for
what?
5 minutes.
You got banned.
For 5
Oh,
minutes.
yeah.
Fucking fat ass. Shut up, holding.
That's pointless.
For real.
Holden
Like, why would
stinks.
they even ban it that thing?
Don't y'all agree holding
Oh,
stink?
this girl small as hell. Like a little elf.
She was murdered.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa,
She was
hold up.
hot.
She just started talking.
Innocent. Hey, just try to go to the spot. Go to the
I'm
spot, Joe.
murderer.
No, you're not. Shut the fuck up. Come here, Dan. Come here. Dan, come here. Dan, come here. Come here, Dan.
You small,
Just
bro.
This is me and Josiah's spot. They don't kind of big. I don't think it could fit.
You small.
Fuck.
Oh
Josiah.
shit!
Oh,
Get in! Get in!
Move, big head, bro.
Oh, you just got us killed.
Bro, you just gotta kill him.
Oh my god.
No,
So ugly.
I get y'all niggas killed. That's Homer's fat ass. He
It's
brought
the
her
pink
in.
hair girl.
Oh my god, bro.
Nigga, we're all dead, Josiah.
Oh.
Danny, whenever you got that avatar, do you think you were doomed to play or something?
No.
Fuck up.
That was not funny.
I'm saying, like you
Yeah,
fat cunt,
shut up, hold.
fucking cunt, piece
Okay.
of fucking prick,
Okay.
Dude,
your
shut
hot
up.
ass
Who's talking?
butt, hot booty ass, holding your loose
Fat
ass
man,
butt,
not even Pac-Man.
Alright, bro, chill out.
loose ass butt holding.
Alright,
Nigga, he said it's not funny, bro. Chill out.
let me go. Let me
Loose
go.
ass
Let me
booty
Hey,
go.
hole
Nick.
holding.
Hey, Nick.
Alright, chill out.
Loose ass butt holding.
Leave me alone.
Booty
You
hole so
fucking bust.
Yo,
Sleep.
Your booty hole so loose, nigga. I like that shit. I can easily stick my shit in and out like whoop.
What?
Yeah, loose ass butt. Shut up. Yo, booty so loose, nigga. I can fit Josiah's head in that shit.
What the hell?
Decide what are you
What
trying
about
to
yours?
do?
Bro,
Picture?
yo, booty hole so loose,
Come
nigga.
here, come
I
here,
could
come
build a house in your
What
shit.
is that music, bro?
Close it, close it, close
Ooh,
it.
okay.
Wait, it
nigga.
won't close.
Hey,
Okay.
It won't close.
Ooh.
It won't close.
Hey.
Wait.
Danny, you big ass ain't going
Close
nowhere.
it, close it,
Oh,
close
you
it.
better
Hide.
The dude with the radio's killer.
Yeah, we know.
Danny, we were just chasing
Oh
after
my
him.
god.
He just starts killing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yes, sir.
How do you emote?
Ooh,
You
that
can't on
music go
Xbox.
hard. Hold on, look
Oh,
at
there
me.
you go.
Hold on, look at me.
Hey!
Hey. Oh shit. No, I can't run. I can't run.
Yeah, we know.
You.
Hey, we good.
Hey! Hold on, Joe. I hit that bitch.
Yo, get away.
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Oh, he's trying to kill me.
I ain't doing that shit.
Oh shit.
But
Let's go.
Damn.
Hey, that music round
Me and
hard.
Josiah had the best spot,
Uh-uh.
yes sir. Me and Josiah had the best spot.
Yeah, I saw ya. What were y'all
God.
doing in that truck? What were y'all
Oh.
doing?
Hiding. Fuck.
sorry, I'll give you something from 2015.
Oh my god, nobody fucking
For the
cares.
ghost knife.
Yes.
They know.
It's
Say no.
ugly.
I didn't even.
Damn.
Okay, I wasn't even persuaded, but okay.
That's fucked up.
Your butthole
man.
stinks, Holden. Loose ass
No.
Let me
butthole.
go. Let me go.
That
We're
loose
going
ass
off.
butthole, Holden.
Oh, no shit so loose, nigga. I can't even. I could stick my finger in there like easy as butter, nigga. That's how loose it
I'm
is.
not even touching anything when I do it.
I'm saying, bro, like my shit just like go in that bit without touch, but that bit goes in. That bit goes in dry and
All
comes
three
out
of our
dry.
Roblox characters can fit in it without touching it.
Hey, nigga, that shit, bro, that shit goes in dry and comes out dry. That's how loose it is. That's how loose your butthole is. Hey, Josiah, I'm about to get in that spot.
Let's
So I'm about to get in that spot, Joe. Come here.
What the?
Oh, he
Oh
said
my!
the shit out of
Bro,
me.
I thought that was somebody dying.
Bro, nobody's fucking with this spot. Like, all you gotta do is just get behind it and they'll never find you. You know, your big ass can't fit up here. Not can you, bitch. Y'all fucking fat.
I made it up there. You see?
Yeah, we gotta get out. You gotta get behind the pillar.
Put the
Hey.
weapon away, Daniel. Put the weapon away. Put the weapon away.
Wait, hold up. Somebody just died right in front of me and I didn't even see.
Hey, I'm hitting it.
Yo, chat,
Get off.
chat,
Put the
check
weapon
that out,
away.
chat. Check that out.
Nigga, hold his sheriff.
It's the
Decide,
little
kill his
girl.
ass.
It's the tiny
Decide, kill
girl.
Holden.
It's the little
Decide, kill
girl.
Holden. Decide, kill Holden.
Hold it, kill her. Hold it, kill her. You suck. You fucking suck.
I'm trying to save you, and then you run away with your dude.
Oh my gosh.
What happened to? Who killed the person
It's
with
so.
the
It's
music?
the elf. It's the elf. Oh
The
my.
Delph.
I
Shit it
died.
on, shit it on, shit
The
it
Bro,
on.
Dickle Pickle.
I didn't even hear her hit me.
Hold on, where you at? Hold on, where you?
How do I get
Hold
in
on,
that
you
room?
died?
What's up, shorty?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get in that room. I don't know how to.
Oh my god.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
What's up, shorty?
Wait, she's not killing me.
How you
Fuck, yes,
doing?
she is. Oh, I'm out. Damn it.
Nah, decide. You are
Hey,
wild.
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
You racist.
To find girl like you playing murder
You
mystery.
gotta answer the English question.
So, just sound a
I'm
damn way
kidding,
not
bro.
to use that
I'm
fucking
kidding.
line.
I'm kidding.
I know, no. Shut your ass up.
I'm
Who
kidding.
am I? Who am I? No, shut the
Yeah,
fuck
for
up.
real. What are you speaking off of?
A PS5 mic.
Shut up.
Oh my god, guys, it's catnap. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm
Oh
gonna do
my
something.
god.
Yeah, I'm gonna do something.
Yo, darkness, his ass stinks, bro. Shut up.
Yo, is she
Yeah,
Spanish
her
or something?
dumb ass. This.
I can't understand shit she's saying.
Hey,
Shut
I'm
up.
stick my dick in her mouth.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh, how am I
I'm
not hurt?
Murderer.
I
A
missed.
murderer.
Alright, yeah, you got it, bro.
Yeah, you're lying. Oh, he's that lying.
God, I can smell your butt from all
Stop.
the way over here, bro.
Lose ass
Stop,
butt,
stop.
Hey,
nigga.
hold
Stop,
up.
stop.
What's good, shorty? What's good,
Holding your
shorty?
booty, holding your booty so loose nigga it release
Oh,
a
God.
gas.
Shit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no way. Good job, bro. Good job.
Holding got shit on.
Bro.
Your booty hole so loose it releases a toxic gas.
That four girl
Fuck
got some
y'all.
good ass aim.
Yeah,
you said
fuck it.
his butthole releases toxic gas.
Your ugly ass. Man, she bad. Let me holler at you, shorty. She bad.
I don't think she hears you because you're not talking at all.
Stupid
Fuck the shit
You
ass.
out of
can't
her.
even type in chat because you're on Xbox.
Yeah.
You bum.
Oh. Take this dick. Take this
Oh,
dick.
oh.
Take this dick.
Oh, this one. Nope, this one.
What happened?
Y'all need to get banned from voice chat.
Bro, I was about to get banned. That would have money.
wait, did they just give you a warning?
No.
Oh, you're lucky, bro. I only went up 1%. No, I went up 2.
Hey, no, it's one of y'all. It's one of y'all, because I
It's
had
your
90
sign.
last round.
I'm murderer.
It's your son.
Daniel, why are you running with me, huh? Why are you running with me, Daniel?
Get away from me. Oh my god, it stinks. I'm hiding.
Your butthole stay touched.
Come on, Joe. Come
Hold on,
on.
get away from me.
It's the girl. It's that girl. It's that girl, Todd.
Hold on, get away from
Who's
me.
that butt? Who's that butt?
Who's
Who's
murderer?
that butthole?
Who's murderer?
Who's that butthole, bitch?
You're
Who's
so
that butthole,
ugly,
bitch?
Daniel.
Daniel or Holden just died. It's Daniel.
God, you're so
It's
aggravating.
Daniel. It's
It's
Daniel.
holding. No, nigga, it's holding.
Holden, you're so aggravating. Oh my god.
Oh, you know, alright.
Daniel, it's obvious that it's you.
I'm saying.
Yep. Holden's dead body's right there.
It's Daniel.
Yes.
Daniel, you stink.
Oh, nothing compares to your loose ass pussy.
Oh, God.
Oh, your shit's so loose, nigga.
I'm gonna do
I
something
can
to you.
st- bro. Bro, my dick comes out dry and it comes in dry.
Yo,
bro. That's how
Daniel,
loose your pussy.
bro, come out. Come outside. Box me.
Just say gonna shit on.
Yeah, no, I'm not even cheering for anything. Yo, guys, just to let y'all know, it's the big fat dude, red and black. Oh, damn.
How do you throw it?
LT.
No,
Oh.
I don't know how to throw it on PC. That shit's so confusing.
Daniel's never gonna find
Dan, I
me.
think the sheriff's outside.
Are you the sheriff?
No, I'm not the sheriff.
Daniel's never gonna find me, guys. Just sorry.
Why is everyone
Homeless
out
trick
here?
at me.
Oh,
Homeless
why
trick
didn't you
at me.
shoot him? Are you stupid? Why are y'all stupid? There's no way, bro. Shoot!
Oh, he
Oh, my,
missed.
it's him. It's
What?
him. Oh
Tosh,
my
how
god.
are you?
His aim is horrible. His aim is horrible.
He's never gonna find you.
Decide. Daniel's never gonna find me.
Hit your shots! Hit your shots! Thank you!
Hold up, he thinks a bird.
Todd, because you're dead, that's why.
No, I wasn't dead. I was alive. Fucking cunt.
So ugly.
Yeah,
Accept
that
the
shit
trade.
on. You
Accept
fucking
the
suck.
trade. I'll give you this.
For what?
Well, actually, take that, Joe. You're so ugly.
Oh.
Something. No, what?
Bro, I think FOR.
Is my game lagging?
FOR keeps following me, nigga.
I'm talking shit to this dude.
Oh, you
Hey,
stink.
I'm about to flirt. I'm about to flirt with FOR. I'm about to join y'all real quick.
Dude's about to
I
flirt in
can't.
Roblox.
I can't join y'all.
I said
Bum.
procedure for what? Who's
It's from
talking?
behind me.
Who's talking?
It's from behind me, Josiah.
I'm not even behind
Yo, shut
you.
up.
Oh, Taj is murdered! Taj is murdered!
You get shit on!
Holden?
It's good.
Josiah, I
The
didn't know
sheriff
I was
just get
murdered,
shit
nigga. I just killed you because I seen it pop up.
The sheriff get.
Yes.
The sheriff's aim is shit.
No, thank you.
I'm gonna kill all you niggas.
Who's the sheriff, bro? Your aim sucks.
Oh, she died.
Okay,
Oh,
never mind.
no.
Never mind.
Dude, if
They
the
don't-
splits how bad I got killed.
The bullet was inside of Taj's asshole. The bullet entered Taj's ass.
Bro,
Next
that's
round
some
is
bullshit.
Josiah. Josiah has like 20% now. It's Josiah.
Holy, shut your loose booty ass up.
No, you just mad. Everybody knows that you're about to be murdered.
Yo, shut
Oh,
up.
Daniel, I just got another warning.
You got banned again?
I just got another warning.
For what?
Next thing you know, it's gonna ban me for a day. Daniel, you're jumping and crashing the game, bro.
Huh?
Earthquake.
You jumping, you jumping is crashing the game.
Good
You're
job.
lagging.
Come on, where we going?
Oh my gosh.
That's why they call you niggas.
Yo, shut up.
Where we,
No,
where we
no.
going?
Josiah's murder. Josiah's murder.
Where we going?
Wake up. Fucking nigger.
Oh.
Got him.
Oh.
Got his ass. Get you, nigga. Get you, nigga.
Oh.
No. Oh.
It's
No.
Josiah, isn't
Bro,
it?
get out the way.
Yo, I'm out. I'm out.
No, thank you.
Oh.
No, thank you.
What are you doing, Todd?
Nigga, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Who's the sheriff, bro? Kill this.
Damn, he's a bitch. Damn, he's a whole ass bitch. Damn, he's a fucking bitch. I hope you die.
Yo, sheriff dead or something, bro? Guys, spectate me, guys.
Ooh.
God damn.
Grrrr. Oh, Josiah? You need to chill out, man.
Hey, man. I'm about to turn off my voice chat so I don't get banned.
Shut up.
You're ugly, bro.
Who is talking over here, bro?
It's Slay
Did I tell you
Wolfie.
to shut up, bro?
I love mm2. For real.
Cap.
I'm reading.
Hold it. Yo,
Hold
shut
it.
up.
Holden, she is not feeling you. You just a munch.
Stay with Josiah. Josiah, what's your percent right now?
22.
You're lying.
Holden, I got
It's
to
like-
30
it's
before
at 30.
without being what's called murderer.
It's Daniel who just jumped.
Who's murderer? Who's murderer? Oh.
My God.
I missed! Oh! I missed! No, I just saw! I shot!
Shit it on shit.
Your
Oh
ass.
my god! Come and
Yo,
kiss
look-
me on my dick.
Look at me in the eyes. Look at me in the eyes.
Alright, Josiah, come on, let's try to trade. Let's see what we can
Your ass.
You don't have eyes.
Your
Let's
ass.
see what we can negotiate.
Whoa!
Nigga G8? He just said nigga G8.
Alright. No, I do not want to leave knives. You're ugly!
Ah!
You stink.
Nigger!
Shut up, Todd. Nobody's laughing at you. You're ugly.
Suck my dick. Why don't you do that? Like,
You have to ask Daniel to do it. Come on.
Josiah, add me, add my account.
Add me.
It's
Add my account. Add my
Ask
mobile
Potato
account.
Chip 64 to add.
Can you stop?
Potato
Change
tipsy
me
dip.
to potato
Slay
chip.
Wolfie.
No.
Dang, think you just.
Here's a poet. Say my name.
Slay Wolfie.
Lay off it.
Just tell me what you
Slay
said.
Wolfie.
Yeah.
She
Go.
get a life.
Get alive.
Oh no.
I gotta wait.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Are you a freezer?
Just like I banned.
Sorry, you got banned.
Nah.
Yo, fuck you, you stupid bitch.
She ran away from me.
Fuck
She ran
you.
away from me because she know who I am. She knows how I act when
No,
I get
Daniel, come get
angry.
me in the kitchen.
Oh,
No,
of course
stop,
you're gonna-
stop. Help,
Daniel, she got
help,
me again.
help. Oh, we.
Yeah.
No, how is there
Fuck
3 of
you.
y'all? How is
Shut
there
up,
3 of
bitch.
y'all?
Wait,
How
just
is there
try
3
Ryan
of
join
y'all?
us.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry, Ryan.
And he won't stop getting me.
I'm sticking my thing in, but you nigga.
Yes.
Stupid bitch.
Just
on,
like
son.
Ryan, it's Ryan. That's
Stick my
actually
thing in,
funny.
but
Ryan, you're annoying, Ryan. He's raping. Yes. Yes, fun.
Shit. Oh, fuck you.
Weave.
He find this funny.
Just I got a warning.
I got you. I got you.
Yo, fuck you, Ryan.
Yo,
No, we're just all untagging each other.
Joe gonna send you.
No, Ryan, if you don't stop getting me.
Oh shit. I need to turn off my voice chat. I'm gonna get it removed.
T friendship, are you gonna come get somebody, bro?
Joe gonna just send you on TikTok.
Oh my god, Ryan.
Potato shit. Potato shit 64. I got banned.
For how long?
Fucking bro.
For how long, Jim?
I got banned for a day.
Ryan, shut up, bro.
I'm kidding, I didn't. You're ugly, shut up. Yo. Guys,
God,
look
you
up
must stink, man.
look at my face whenever I talk.
Josiah.
Oh, I'm free.
shit.
I'm free.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Nigga, Josiah said, Stephen Curry said
Yo, I didn't
he
even
was
touch you,
looking
bro.
at her cheeks jiggle the whole time.
Wait,
He said that on live TV.
bro, I got
No, he
another
just
warning.
said a tweet.
Wait, you got another warning? Better stop
got
saying stuff.
Daniel said the N-word. Drop the heart.
Ryan, can you stop, bro?
Tell Ryan.
Oh shit. Oh
Daniel,
I
my
ain't-
god, fuck you.
Yeah, tell Ryan you want his sister.
I'm gone. I'm out. Bro.
Sorry, I just got frozen.
Bro.
Ryan.
Ryan, you want something sharp and long to go into your butt?
Sharp. Why is it sharp?
You fucking nigger.